Hello and welcome to the third video in this decimal, percentage and rounding series. In this video, we will be covering the concept of compound percentage. So basically compound percentages is basically when you are adding or when you are increasing or decreasing a number by a certain percentage. So what does that mean? It means that, for example, if the number is 300 and if I say that increase this number by 10%, so what will you do? You will see the percentage is always 100%. So if I say that increase this number by 10%, what you need to do is you first need to calculate a multiplier. And how will you calculate a multiplier? The first step is whatever percentage increase which I just tell you, just add that to 100. So it will give you 110. So in case of increase, you need to add the number to 100, and in case of decrease, you need to subtract that number from 100. So basically this is the tip when you are calculating the multipliers. So in any compound percentage question, the first step is you need to calculate the multiplier. So coming back to the question states that you need to increase this 300 by 10%. So the first step that you are doing is you are first calculating the multiplier over here. So it's 100 plus 10, that is equal to 110. The second step is that you need to divide this 110 by 100. So it will give you 1.1. So now this 1.1 is your multiplier. It's your multiplier. I'm just writing it in short, MULT. It's your multiplier. So now you get the multiplier, that is 1.1. Then what you need to do is you just need to multiply the number, that is 300, with the multiplier, that is 1.1. So the number which you get is 330. So basically this 330 is the number when you increase this 300 by 10%. Now if I say that since you get this number 330, if I say that now you need to increase this number 330 further by 20%, now what will you do it? You will just use the similar approach. The first step is you need to calculate the multiplier. So I said that you need to increase this number, that is 330, by 20%, which means that since it is an increase question, in order to calculate the multiplier, you need to add that 20 to 100. So it will give you 120. So now the second step is you need to divide this 120 by 100. So it will give you 1.2. So now this 1.2 is your multiplier. Moving on, now you get this multiplier 1.2. You just need to multiply this number 330 by 1.2. So the answer will be 396. So 396 is what? 396 is basically when you increase 330 by 20%. So again I am repeating all the steps. The first step is you need to calculate the multiplier. And how you calculate the multiplier? If it is an increase in percentage question, you just need to add that increase amount to 100 so that you get a number, and that number you just need to divide by 100 in order to get the final multiplier, right? And when you get the multiplier, you just need to multiply that multiplier by that number in order to get the final answer. Hope the concept of compound percentages is clear to you. Still, if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section below. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you.